Imagine cutting your cooking time in half with just a few simple tools. Today, we're counting down 17 amazing kitchen gadgets that can make cooking faster, easier, and way more organized. From smart storage solutions to clever cooking tools, these gadgets are designed to save you time and effort in the kitchen. Some of these are incredibly simple, but surprisingly genius. So make sure you stick around until the end, because a 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper. First on the list is this 12-in-1 multifunction vegetable chopper. If you spend a lot of time chopping vegetables, this gadget can be a huge time saver. It comes with 11 interchangeable blades that allow you to slice, shred, and grate vegetables like carrots, potatoes, radishes, and more. Switching the blades is simple. Just align the grooves with the handle and snap them into place. And when you want to replace them, flip the cover and press down to remove the blade. Instead of spending minutes cutting everything by hand, this gadget can prep your ingredients in seconds. For anyone who cooks regularly, this multi-function large colander. Next up is this large multi-function colander. With its extra large capacity and smart drainage design, it's perfect for washing fruits, rinsing vegetables, or draining rice and pasta. The durable plastic construction makes it lightweight and easy to handle while still being strong enough for daily kitchen use. Many people even use it to soak dirty dishes before washing, which makes cleanup much easier later. It's simple, practical, and incredibly useful. Portable milk frother. Coffee lovers are going to enjoy this one. This portable, battery-operated milk frother helps you create rich, creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and other drinks in seconds. It features a lightweight handle and a 304 stainless steel whisk, giving it both durability and great performance. The one-touch button makes it incredibly easy to use, and despite its power, it runs very quietly. And the best part? It comes with a stand so you can keep it neatly on your counter. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts at home or even on camping trips. 37-piece kitchen cooking tool set. If you're setting up a kitchen or upgrading your utensils, this 37-piece kitchen cooking tool set is a fantastic option. It includes almost every essential cooking tool you can think of: spatulas, spoons, ladles, tongs, and much more. The utensils are heat-resistant, non-stick friendly, and dishwasher safe, making them both practical and easy to maintain. The wooden handles also give the set a beautiful and modern look. It's a complete toolkit that works great for both beginners and experienced home cooks. Two-tier dish drying rack. Keeping your kitchen organized becomes much easier with this two-tier dish drying rack. Made from durable carbon steel, it's designed to hold plates, cups, utensils, and even cutting boards. The double-layer design saves valuable counter space while allowing you to dry more dishes at once. And the built-in drainage tray helps keep your countertop dry and clean. Many people love how it fits perfectly on narrow counters while making the kitchen look much more organized. USB rechargeable mini electric blender. Next is this USB rechargeable mini electric blender. Despite its compact size, it's surprisingly powerful. The sharp stainless steel blades can quickly chop ingredients like vegetables, herbs, and even meats. Because it's rechargeable and portable, it's perfect for small kitchens, quick food prep, or even travel. And compared to large food processors, the cleanup is incredibly quick and easy. Portable mini bag sealer. If you often leave snack bags open, this gadget can save your food from going stale. This portable mini bag sealer lets you reseal chip bags and food packaging in seconds. Just slide it across the bag and it creates a tight seal. It's rechargeable, compact, and even features a magnetic back so you can stick it on your refrigerator. Perfect for home kitchens, travel, camping, or picnics. Automatic egg storage box. This automatic egg storage box is one of the most satisfying kitchen organizers. It features a double-layer sliding design that can store around 12 to 14 eggs. The gravity-fed system means when you take one egg, the next egg rolls forward automatically. This makes grabbing eggs quick and convenient while also saving space in your refrigerator. You can even separate different types of eggs easily. Coffee machine absorbent drying mat. If your coffee station or sink area often gets wet, this gadget is a great solution. This absorbent drying mat is designed to soak up water and protect your countertop. The rubber lining quickly absorbs moisture, while the anti-slip surface keeps appliances stable. It's perfect for coffee machines, dish drying areas, or kitchen worktops. A small addition that helps keep your counter clean and dry. Airtight food storage containers. These airtight food storage containers are perfect for pantry organization. They're ideal for storing rice, pasta, cereal, flour, sugar, and other dry foods. The airtight lids help keep food fresh longer, while the clear containers make it easy to see what's inside. They're BPA-free, durable, and great for creating a neat and organized kitchen. Self-adhesive stainless steel tissue holder. This stainless steel self-adhesive tissue holder is a great space-saving gadget. Instead of drilling holes, you simply stick it onto a smooth surface or under a cabinet. Installation takes only a few seconds, and it holds paper towels securely in place. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or anywhere you need quick access to tissues. 2-in-1 oil spray bottle. Cooking becomes easier with this 2-in-1 oil spray and pouring bottle. You can spray a fine mist of oil for grilling, baking, salads, or air frying. And when you need more oil, you can simply pour it directly from the same bottle. The trigger spray is smooth and consistent, making it easy to control the amount of oil you use. It's a simple gadget that helps you cook more efficiently. Kitchen sink drain filter. Next is this kitchen sink drain filter. It's a small gadget that helps prevent clogged drains by catching food scraps before they go down the pipe. It fits easily over most sink drains and works instantly without any complicated setup. Despite being made of plastic, it does the job surprisingly well. A simple solution to a very common kitchen problem. 2-in-1 garlic crusher and nutcracker. Garlic lovers will appreciate this gadget. This 2-in-1 garlic crusher and nutcracker allows you to crush garlic quickly with minimal effort. Instead of chopping garlic by hand, just press and crush. And the same tool also works perfectly for cracking nuts. The durable construction makes it long-lasting, and it's very easy to clean. Faucet dishcloth and sponge holder. This faucet-mounted sponge holder helps keep your sink area organized. It provides a convenient place to store your dishcloths and sponges so they can dry properly. It's compact, easy to clean, and installs directly onto most faucets. A small gadget that helps keep your kitchen looking neat and tidy. Stainless steel fine mesh strainer set. This fine mesh stainless steel strainer set is an essential tool for cooking and baking. It's perfect for rinsing fruits, draining pasta, sifting flour, or straining sauces. The rust-resistant steel construction makes it durable, while the comfortable handle makes it easy to use. A classic kitchen tool that never goes out of 2-in-1 oil bottle with silicone brush. This clever gadget combines an oil container with a built-in basting brush. You can easily brush oil onto meat, vegetables, or BBQ while cooking. It's perfect for grilling, baking, frying, or preparing salads. Simple idea, but incredibly practical for everyday cooking.